What's going on, everybody? Godzilla Options here with your stock market strat setups going into January 25th. What a crazy open today for the NYSE and the stock market in general. Stocks just went crazy on open because of a technical issue, apparently, with auction print at the beginning of the morning that is supposed to kind of determine what the opening price is, but it didn't work out so well. And I guess the actual issue is being investigated, but that resulted in a lot of big movements for some stocks up and down. And let's get into those. So we have our outside bars down. Wells Fargo is actually one of the big stocks affected early morning, and it did kind of start clawing its way back up to make a hammer on the day. So I'm going to be looking for Wells Fargo to try to get back to normalcy tomorrow there. Our two up continuations. Again, I'm looking at things with shooter candles here: Square, XLC, UAL, all shooter candles to the downside. So maybe a 2-2 reversal there is what I'm going to be looking for. We have our 2-1s. Across the board. These can go either way. Remember, up or down. That one candle, which was today, is an indecision candle. So S-Bucks with the hammer candle to the upside. So I'd be looking for a 2-1-2 up. Then we have Ford there and FDX, FedEx, with shooter candles. So I'd be looking at a 2-1-2 to the downside there for some actionable entry. Our 1-2 down rev strat with PFE and a hammer candle, so potential move back to the upside for a 1-2-2 reversal. Our outside bar up with BA, Disney, DIS there, KO with a shooter candle. So while it was an outside bar up, meaning it took out previous day's high and the low, it is a shooter candle with KO there, so I'd be looking for a 3-2 downside move. Our failed 2 up with UPST and the shooter candle. So that definitely could be a 2-2 reversal tomorrow to the downside. So UPST is something I'm going to be watching. Failed 2 down with AAL and PMG to the upside. We're still waiting for CVS to make some sort of movement to the upside to show that it actually has some life. Those are your stock market setups going into January 25th. Happy trading.